Well, the central body that recommends actions to fight pollution in the national capital has now removed some restrictions after the air quality improved marginally. The entry of trucks into Delhi is now allowed and the ban on the non-BS6 diesel vehicles has also been removed.
Now, Bharat Stage 6 mandates cleaner automotive fuels and engines. They were banned under Level 4, the highest of the Graded Response Action Plan or GRAP, which orders what action to be taken if air quality worsens. Meanwhile, political debate rages on wherein the BJP continues to slam the Aam Aadmi Party government for the situation in the capital.
दिल्ली की जनता आज त्राहिमाम करते हुए कह रही है कि दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन जब से ऑन हुआ है केजरीवाल गॉन हुए हैं। मतलब कि केजरीवाल जी सीएम चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं है, सिर्फ चुनावी मंत्री बनकर कभी गुजरात में कभी कहीं और भ्रमण कर रहे हैं, परंतु जो दिल्ली आज गैस चेंबर बन चुकी है, जहरीली हवा में श्वास लेने के लिए बच्चे और दिल्ली के निवासी मजबूर हो रहे हैं। AQI लगातार जो है 400-500 का आंकड़ा क्रॉस कर रहा है।
ये एक त्वरित उपाय है, बचाने की, किसी डूबते व्यक्ति को बचाने की एक कोशिश है, प्रदूषण से बचाने की एक छोटी सी कोशिश है, मास्क वितरण। लेकिन ये मौका आता ही क्यों है, ये हमारी दिल्ली की सरकार को चिंता करनी चाहिए।
Our colleague Niyamika is joining us live from Anand Vihar for the details on that. Niyamika, the air quality you've been reporting from the spot for the last several days, very severe, down to severe. What's the condition like right now?
Well, certainly today is the second consecutive day when there is a slight dip in the air pollution levels of the national capital. Right now we are also standing here at Anand Vihar, which is one of the hotspots of the Delhi region in terms of air pollution. And as you can see in the visuals as well, that there is smog all around in the air quality. And however, there is much measures that are also being taken. You can see in the visuals as well that there is a water sprinkler is also here to settle down the dust which is being there at the Anand Vihar, as there is a lot of vehicular emission at this location, because there is also a bus terminal, a metro station and a railway station as well. So this is one of the hotspots of the national capital, and that is the reason number of measures are also being taken to reduce air pollution at this location only. However, the AQI stands at 326 today, which comes under the very poor category, which is much better than that of which was being there last week, as the air quality index had been gone to severe category. So because of which the CAQM had also given directions for the implementation of GRAP 4. However, in yesterday's order of CAQM, this has been revoked. The GRAP 4 has been revoked from the Delhi NCR region, and today a meeting has also been called by the Delhi's Environment Minister Gopal Rai, in which all the Delhi government officials of the concerned departments are being called, and there is a possibility that a decision will be taken regarding this implementation of the latest order of CAQM, which also includes the reopening of schools and the decision which was being taken regarding the 50% workforce in the Delhi government offices. So a decision will be taken on that today at 12 o'clock at Delhi Secretariat, where this meeting will be convened by the Delhi's Environment Minister Gopal Rai.
Right, and also Niyamika, of course, precautions need to be taken at this given point also, because the AQI is currently in the very poor category, and we, of course, continue to breathe toxic air. But as far as the forecast is concerned, can we expect some more respite in the coming days? Has there been any forecast from the organizations and the agencies?
Well, this is a slight dip in the air pollution levels because of the change in the wind direction and wind speed. That is that was also being predicted by the various experts also. However, when environmentalists had spoken about this matter regarding this revoke of the GRAP 4 implementation, they had said that this is being done very soon, because in the upcoming days we can also see that the air quality will again go into the severe category. And because today also we are witnessing that there is smog engulfed in the air of the Delhi NCR region all around, and that is the reason why these experts were also being saying that this is too soon to take this decision regarding the revoke of the GRAP 4 from the national capital, because in the upcoming days the wind speed will again be changed, and it is very much being expected that the air quality will again deteriorate in the upcoming days. So the measures should be taken, this should be continued in the upcoming days as well,
Yes.
because there needs to be strict action that needs to be taken for the solution of this problem which comes every year in this in the Delhi NCR region.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, stay on with us. We're